Once upon a time, there was a peaceful village. In that village lived an old farmer with his two sons, Rama and Shama. The old man owned a large piece of land. Every day, he worked hard in his fields, and his sons always helped him with farming work. Life was simple, but peaceful. The farmer had a very strong personality and a strong mindset. He always believed that everything happens for a reason. He never complained about life. Whether happiness or problems came, he accepted both with patience and faith. Everyone in the village knew him and respected him. Many people came to him for advice because he was wise, calm, and positive. He was not rich, but he was truly happy and content. His sons also learned discipline and hard work from him. One day, the old farmer went to his field and saw a terrible scene. His son Rama had injured his legs badly while working. The farmer quickly took him home. That day, Rama became very sick and could not even walk. The next day, a royal worker came to the village and announced loudly, "Tomorrow, the king will give army jobs to young boys. All young men must come to the kingdom." The next morning, all the young boys of the village went to the kingdom for the job. But Rama could not go because he was sick and injured. The villagers said to the old man, "Your son has bad luck. He missed such a big job opportunity." But the old farmer calmly replied, "God sees everything. Whatever happens is for good." He did not rush, cry, or fall into negativity. His positive thinking kept his heart peaceful and his mind strong. A few days later, another problem came. The old farmer lost his two horses. He searched many houses and went deep into the forest, but he could not find them. People again came and said, "You lost your horses. This is very bad." The old man replied peacefully, "Maybe it is bad, maybe it is good. God gives problems for a reason." After some time, a message came from the royal kingdom. The boys who had joined the army were sent to war. Sadly, many of them lost their lives in the battle. When the old farmer heard this news, he thanked God and said, "My son is safe because he did not go." The next day, the villagers were shocked. They finally understood the power of the old farmer's mindset. Because of his positive thinking, he did not cry, panic, or stress. And slowly, even the things he lost returned to him. Moral of the story, long version. Positive thinking does not mean life will have no problems. It means you stay strong even when problems come. A strong mindset helps you control fear, stress, and negativity. When you trust life and believe that everything happens for a reason, your heart becomes peaceful and your mind becomes powerful. Sometimes, what looks like bad luck is actually protection. Sometimes, loss is a hidden blessing. If you stay patient, calm, and positive, life will guide you in the right direction. Positive thinking and a strong mindset always give you strength. Everything happens for a reason.